Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Maybe not as cool as I was thinking, but it is pretty cool. It looks like the letters have been folded or bent. So I'm going to type out the word folded, make it pretty big. And I'm going to hit P, put it, that's what happens when you're still in text form. You need to get off that to hit P to put it in the center of the page. Let's get this out of the way. Let's use a thicker font. Let's go to Arial Black. And I'm going to Control D or hit the plus key and make a copy of it. Now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to left click, right click, and it is in the center of the page, so I can take a 2-point line and hit P to put it in the center of the page. Now I'm going to make the top ones red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. Whoop. My line must not be long enough. Yep. So just take the, you know what, it's better to use the pick tool, and then you could make it still straight. Now let's fill that in. Let's go ahead and group those together, Control G. And then let's get the bottom ones and make them red. And because the top ones are grouped, we can now, let's get rid of our line. Let's grab the bottom ones and group them together. And then by doing that, you can hold down the control button and add a little black to make them a little darker. Now, we're going to use the transformation docker, which is under Windows Dockers. Yours might say transformation, mine says transform. And we're going to use the skew. So I'm going to grab the bottom ones, I'm going to skew it 8 inches. Well, I need to take away that line. Now I'm going to grab the top ones and I'm going to go a negative 8 inches. That's just how the skew works to make it look like that. Now, if you remember, we kept this copy, so we're going to nudge it up. And it's already in the back of the page because we made it last. If it's not in the back of the page, you can just put it in the back of the page. And there's, several things you could maybe do to make it better. Let's hold down the Shift key, make it a little blacker, or make it a little pronounced. That's pretty cool. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.